Alright, people, so when you see this, you know, I have to make sure taste a good old Ray and him nephew. You know that, right? Yeah, man. You see me, and you have to chase, make sure chase it with something. You see me, because I know Jamaica. Yeah, I don't know anything, but me, I'm not a big rum drinker still, but if me say I want Ray, you know, this I would have been my little mixture and thing still, but yeah. But see, then she are going at the chicken. She says it's really nice. Yeah. Yeah. What's up, beautiful people? It's yours truly, 876 by birth. And guess what? Tonight, I'm actually here with my beautiful friend, Alyssa.
Hello.
Yeah, who happens to be, well, she happens to be an Italian who is also an American. So, an Italian living in America. Let me get her. Yeah. All right. And she's in Jamaica for the first time, guys. For the first time. All right. So she's here to have an amazing time. She wants to have an amazing experience. And I'm here to facilitate her and make sure she has the best experience ever. All right. Now it's nighttime, guys, and we've been on the road for a little while, so we're kind of tired and everything. But you know, as a Jamaican, I had to stop and get her some jerk chicken, right? So I want her to try this jerk chicken, and I would like to get like her realest, most genuine reaction and a review on it and everything. All right. So tomorrow you'll see more of her and everything, but because she's gonna dive into this jerk chicken, I just thought I would just capture this moment. It's our first time having jerk chicken. We actually got this chicken in Ocho Rios from one of them street vendors, you know, Jamaica. You just pull up on the side of the road and you get the food. This is leg and thigh actually. So it's our first time gonna go into this. So let's go. And I want your honest opinion. If it's not good, say it's not good.
Smells incredible. So
Okay.
I can imagine it won't taste good.
You sure?
Oh my god, that sauce is so good.
Wow.
That spice,
Yes.
so good. And I did not get the ketchup on it, which I probably should have to have the authentic experience.
Yeah, but the sauce is good. The sauce is good. The sauce by itself is
It's
good.
very, like, so well cooked.
Yeah.
Like, it's very juicy.
Right. That's
Very
good.
juicy.
That's good. All right. That's good.
Compliments to the chef.
Okay. So, Mr. Chef in Ocho Rios, I think she likes it, and yeah, she's digging in. All right.
Recommend.
Yes.
Highly
Okay.
recommend.
Okay. Good.
Come
All
to
right.
Jamaica.
Okay. All right, guys. So we're actually back. So here's the thing. Even though it's dark right now, it's a different night. All right, and I know I promised you guys that we would have had Lisa try these foods in the daytime, right? But we were out and about, as you can see in other videos, we were out and about, we were having a whole lot of fun and all these things, right? So right about now, as I said, it's a different night, but right about now, we're here and she's about to try a whole bunch of stuff. There she is looking all pretty. She's hungry and she's tired, guys. She's really hungry. So I'm gonna make this really quick because she's really hungry. All right, she's just facilitating me right now. So this is actually all right, let me flip the camera. Hold on. All right, guys. So yeah, so this is this says cornmeal pudding slice, yeah. So as you know, in Jamaica we have cornmeal pudding, bread pudding, potato pudding, and everything. So she's gonna just have a little bit of that. So yeah, you can go ahead and just have a little bit. And as you can see in the background, you know what this is. You know what time it is, guys. Yeah. Yep. All right. So she's gonna be digging into this cornmeal pudding. What do you think?
It's good.
It's good. Yeah, the chicken. Definitely the chicken, guys. So trust me, she wanted to try everything. She wanted to try the famous bowl. She wanted to try the zinger. But I said, okay, we just do this tonight. Another day we'll get the famous bowl and zinger and stuff. So this is a barbecue flavor. A lot of persons here in Jamaica go crazy. You gotta get the skin. You gotta get everything. Yes, you gotta get all these things. Yeah. So this is a barbecue flavored chicken. Yeah. And guys, I hyped it up. I told her this KFC is the best in the world. So I don't know. Let's go. So this is good.
That's really good.
Yeah.
I
This...
wish would have stayed on, but
Oh, no worries. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Mm.
I think it's better than United
It's
States
KFC.
So
Yeah.
far.
It is. Yeah. It is good. It is good. People in the comment section, let me know because I was telling her they say Jamaican KFC is the best in the whole wide world.
Maybe not
I don't know. I don't know. Like, if you agree, let me know. And if you're not a Jamaican and you've had KFC from Jamaica and other places, let me know what you think. Because Jamaicans are going to be biased. They're going to say it is the best. So let me know, guys.
Well, so far I've had in two countries. I think for sure Jamaica.
Yeah. All right. Jamaica,
States.
so it's leading. All right. That's good. That's good. That's good.
So far.
That's good. All right. You want to try a different
Jamaica
flavor?
1, US 0.
Yeah. People normally say KFC in the US is it's not good. All right. So
Alright. Sorry.
that's spicy, and then the other one is original.
Alright, so I'm gonna start with this one.
Yeah,
I'm gonna
spicy.
have
This
some
is a
good
spicy
spices.
wing. Yeah. Mm-hmm.
This one's like the crispy one. This is usually what I get.
Okay, good.
Now I can have like a true accurate comparison.
Okay. This is spicy.
It's really good.
Okay.
It's not spicy though. I think the other one.
It's
is
not spicy?
The other one is spicy.
No, this is spicy.
Is
The,
it?
the one you tasted was spicy? This
Right
barbecue.
now? No, that's not spicy.
Oh, but this is spicy. No, this one is original. That once you see it's so flaky and stuff, that's a spicy. And it's
Maybe.
not probably you have a
I
high
just have a
tolerance
high-
for pepper and
I
stuff
eat
for spice.
habaneros like peppers.
Yeah, guys, and do remember she's Italian, so she's in a whole lot of spices and stuff. So yeah, but she says it's
Really
not
good.
spicy.
I don't think it's spicy at all.
But it's good.
It's delicious.
Okay, okay. Is it hot? Like, is it warm or anything? Like, or is it cold? The meat itself.
Oh, it's warm.
Okay,
It's very
good.
warm, yeah.
Okay, okay,
Still
good.
crispy.
Okay, good, good.
Alright.
All right, the original now.
OG.
Yeah, that's the original. That's a lot of persons'
Smells
least.
spicy to me.
Really? That's a lot of persons' least favorite flavor.
Least
The
favorite.
original, yeah. Yeah.
Definitely my least favorite.
Yeah.
It's still very good. It's not spicy.
Right. Yep. Usually, sometimes the original can be a little bit dry, and yeah.
You can tell they use like black pepper.
Yeah.
Yeah, like
They have-
black pepper.
The KFC supposedly have like secret herbs and spices that they use, like nobody knows what it is. Jamaicans say that it's mixed with crack cocaine because it's addictive,
Oh,
and
yeah.
they always raise the price for KFC here. And what they do, they complain and they talk about it on social media, but then in the evening they line up to go
They
get
go
it.
there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So they say it's
Well,
addictive.
it's really good. Yeah, like especially the crispy chicken. I really
Yeah.
like barbecue as well.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. Yep. This is good. Trust me. Yeah.
Try it.
Yeah. Guys, as I said, she's kind of tired too, so yeah. All right, people. So when you see this, I have to make sure taste a good old Ray and him nephew. You know that, right? Yeah, man. You see me, and you have to make sure chase it with something. You see me, cause you know Jamaica. Yeah, we know a thing, but I'm not a big rum drinker still. But if me say I want Ray, this I would have been my little mixture and thing still. But yeah. But see then she are going at the chicken. She says it's really nice. Yeah.
It's very good.
Yeah. But yeah. Alright guys, guess what? We're gonna cut the video for right here. I'll have her try some more stuff tomorrow, guys. So I'm gonna make sure try some more things. Yeah, and I'll tell you how it is. Like you will see our reaction as well. You understand? But we really want to eat this food because trust me, when I say we're tired, we're tired. If you've been watching the other videos, you'll see this outfit. So you know you if you watch the other videos, you'll definitely know where we went on this day. So yeah, we need to eat food and then get some sleep. All right. So I'll see you guys tomorrow for right now. All right.
Okay, so here we have a Jamaican patty. This one is just beef, so it has like a minced beef.
You're right. Yeah.
Maybe some onions in it.
Yeah, a lot of spices
Cebolla.
and seasonings. Yeah.
Spices and seasonings, and they're my favorite. I just ate one. This is my second one. Girls gotta eat, you know. I've been doing a lot of hiking, but they're really good. It has like a flaky crust. They're phenomenal.
Do you think you could have these all day, every day?
Yeah. Absolutely.
She loves them, guys. She's been saying, we need to get some patties. We need to get some patties. She's been asking for patties from yesterday.
I was going to say it's been like 3 days I've been requesting these.
Yeah, I gave her one.
Since the first time I had one.
Yeah.
I had one the second day of being here, right?
Right.
Day 2
so.
at the Duns River Falls.
Right. Yeah.
These are better.
Yeah.
But super good. I'm gonna try the chicken one next, and then I'm gonna have like 10 more with the
And you're gonna bring like 2 or 3 home.
I am flying home with them because this is a Jamaican treasure.
Yes.
And
yes,
I would say I would share them with my friends, but that's not happening. So sorry guys, you're just gonna have to come to Jamaica to try them.
Yes, definitely.
I'm gonna eat them all, but assuming I don't eat all the patties in Jamaica by the time I leave, because that's also possible. I can eat, like I can eat, but
right,
they're good.
Yeah.
Highly recommend them. They're really affordable. This was like $1.80, $1.50 US dollars.
Right,
so.
right, pretty much.
And they're big. Hold
Yep,
on.
yeah.
I have. You can't see, but
Yeah,
look how
they're
big
in
the
this
bag
bag.
is. Yeah.
How would you describe it to an American?
And maybe like a larger empanada.
What is equinata?
Empanada. Empanada is like, well, there's different kinds, you know? Like
yeah?
I would probably compare it to an Argentinian empanada, just because it has like a flakier crust.
So, is there anything in America that you would compare it to? Is there anything?
I don't think so.
Okay. No, nothing. Not even like.
Well, it has beef in it, so I mean, Americans love burgers, so I don't know.
No,
It's not fitting.
It's really good. I just wanted
It's
that
really
for
good,
the
yeah.
Americans, so they know that this is
They would love it.
Yeah.
Americans would
It's
love
not
it.
comparable to anything in America, so you have to try this.
Exactly, yeah.
Yeah, definitely. So yeah, guys, we're actually driving on the road. So we're in Portland. We're heading to Montego Bay. So she's gonna have a whole lot more stuff. We're trying to get some fruits for her. So once we get some fruits, we're gonna have her taste them too, and we're gonna be recording. So make sure you stay tuned for that. All right? Like the light and everything, you look so beautiful.
Thank you.
All right.
Oh, I also have chocolate. I'm gonna make a video.
Yeah.
We'll be back with the chocolate after I eat this, though.
All right,
Ooh,
definitely.
That's dessert. We'll be back for dessert.
And I'm gonna see if I can get her the rum cream, the coconut rum cream, because Jamaican ladies always love that coconut. The coffee rum cream. Jamaican females in Jamaica always love that, so I'm gonna definitely have her try that. As soon as I pass a liquor store, I'm gonna stop. Once I see a liquor store, definitely gonna stop, get her the coffee thingy. So that's another thing she's gonna be tasting here too. All right?
I can't wait.
Yeah,
Awesome.
definitely. All right, guys.
Bye.
Soon check in back with you though.
Time to eat. I've been wanting chocolate for days, and I'm so excited. So this is Jamaican chocolate. It's called Charles Chocolates.
Yes.
Charles owns this chocolate company.
Yes.
And this one is called Crick Crack. So it's like Rice Krispies, basically.
Yeah.
So I'm
nuts or
not
something
gonna waste
inside.
any time.
Yeah, go ahead.
It's good. It's definitely lighter than American chocolate for sure.
Yeah.
It's like,
I wouldn't say this
I don't
is
even know how to
one of our
explain
better tasting chocolate, but it is popular.
it's good.
Yeah.
It's very
It's
good.
not the best one we have, but it's a really popular brand. 'Cause
Definitely
it's not expensive, so it's cheap. So yeah, but it tastes good for the cost. It tastes good for how much it costs. It tastes good for that.
It's very good.
Yeah.
Very milky. 10 out of 10. Recommend.
Nice. Charles chocolate.
It is. We are by the ocean.
Yeah, we're in St. Mary. Like, look, we're right by the coastline. This is Jamaica.
So pretty.
Yep, definitely. Even with the rainy clouds and stuff, it's still looking good.
Still beautiful.
Yeah.
I'll get a video of that angle. Bye-bye for now. Whoa. Well, I tipped it on. It tipped over. Wow, it's cold. But it's tasty. Yum.
Yeah. Is that too much for you?
Is this too much for me? He says. Heck no.
Okay. You probably just want to put the phone down and try to really get all the water first. Like, you know?
No, I got it. I got some good sips. Yeah, I got some good sips in.
Okay, good.
It's tasty and it's fresh and it's in my crotch.
Said, wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait, first of all, you're not going to speed past that like you didn't just say what you just said.
It's tasty and it's fresh and it's in my crotch.
Tasty and it's fresh and it's in my crotch.
It's tasty and it's fresh and it's in my crotch. We went to a fruit stand and I got an avocado. I already started, so how's Andre? But it's delicious. I would say, do you know what kind of avocado this is? Maybe a Lorena? I'm not sure.
I'm not sure of the type here. We just call them, because we only have one kind, so we just call it pear or avocado.
Okay, and they call them pear here.
Yeah.
But compared to the US, we're used to Hass avocados, so they're larger. I think they're tastier, honestly.
This one is so good.
It's really good.
Yeah.
Fantastic. Highly recommend. I can't eat it on camera because obviously.
Yeah, but she did try it, and I'm gonna let her try it with this. Like people, I'm never able to forget the regular bulla, but I got this one, the closest thing the man did have to it. So we have to make sure you get some bulla and pear. Yeah.
Yeah.
And she has other fruits too, but she's gonna show you in a little bit.
Exactly.
Yeah. All right.
We'll be back.
Yeah.
Bye. We're in Jamaica, drinking ting,
Yes.
and we have all this fruit to try.
Right.
I haven't actually had any of these, so this is
Okay.
gonna be interesting.
Okay.
I love guanabana, which is found in South America. This is a lot like this.
Yes. So this is called sweet sop. So this is actually like a family member, probably a cousin or something, of the sour sop. What do you call the sour sop in South America, you say?
Guanabana.
Okay.
So it looks exactly like guanabana. It's like a milky fruit.
Yeah.
All right. So I imagine it also has seeds like guanabana. So I'm gonna have to spit those out. So
Right.
try to be classy, but you know, I'm just pulling the outer shell out so I can get like a bite of it.
Yeah. Usually what we do, we just squeeze it together to like open it, but that's good too. What do you think?
It tastes like guanabana.
Yeah. The only thing with this is not so much tangy like the sour sop. It's more on the sweet. It should be more on the sweeter side, but it pretty much has the same texture, everything. Like it.
Seeds.
Yeah, a whole lot
It's
of
very
them.
good.
Yeah.
It's delicious.
Yep.
I have no idea what this is.
So this is called kneesberry. Kneesberry, but I'm really not sure right now. But hold on.
It reminds me of a kiwi so far.
Yeah, kind of. But inside it's kind of different. So you can just like squeeze it together with your like your two hands. Yeah, it opens up, right?
Oh.
Yeah, there's also a seed inside too, so be careful.
Just one?
Probably one or two sometimes.
Okay.
It all
This
depends.
is like super juicy.
Yeah, it
So much
is.
liquid. Alright.
I don't remember the name for it in South America.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah. Is it sweet? Because it's usually sweet.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
The texture is really good too.
It is.
This is my favorite so far. I mean, guanabana has always been one of my favorite fruits. However,
Yeah. But this is good. This is really, really good.
This like reminds me of like if this is gonna sound weird, but if squash.
Oh.
Like
Mm-hmm.
edible. Like
Yeah,
this right away, and it would ripen like this.
Right.
It's like sweet, but.
Yep, definitely. Yep.
It has like a squash like flavor, but it's much sweeter.
Yeah, this is sweet. I don't remember the name for this in South
God.
America. I can't remember if they call it
never had these.
sapadilla or something. I don't remember the names, but
It's a banana. I'm gonna eat.
yeah. So these bananas now, as I told you, they're called frog bananas or bumpy bananas.
Bumpy banana.
Yeah, because they're so small, they're tiny, like a little bump.
Yeah.
That's why they call them that. Yeah, but these are usually sweeter and stuff, and these are usually like more organic. Oh, well, we have more. We have more. I think somebody that was watching the video really wanted this banana. That's why it fell. Yeah, somebody wanted our banana. I wonder who it was.
Well, there it is. Alright, I'm not gonna draw this one.
Yeah. Is that sweet?
It's very sweet.
Yeah. This is usually different.
Sweeter than
Yeah, from the
bananas.
yeah. Mhm. Yeah. Yep.
That's very good.
Yeah. It's nice, right?
I'm living off of fruits and vegetables today. Literally, that's all I eat. I'm not complaining. Sure, I'll look 10 years younger tomorrow.
He definitely will. Wow.
This is so good. This is my favorite one. Tell me what this is called again? Measle fruit?
Kneesberry. We call it kneesberry, but it's probably the spelling. I think I'm gonna Google the spelling and show it to you.
Kneesberry.
Yeah, that's what we call it, kneesberry. But it's some persons I think call it naseberry. I think based on the spelling, it would probably be pronounced naseberry, but we call it kneesberry. That's just how we
So
call it.
good.
You love it?
It's my favorite.
Wow.
Let me know how it's spelled because I gotta find this.
Yeah, definitely. And I think you can definitely find it in South America.
Oh,
It should be there. Yeah, it should be there.
Well, I'll be in Colombia
Yeah,
soon, so
yeah, definitely can find it there.
I'll let you know.
Mhm.
I'll do another fruit tour of Colombia.
Yeah, definitely.
Show them the views.
I'm definitely gonna show them. Definitely gonna show them the view. So guys, we're actually in Montego Bay right now. In our Airbnb. This is actually the hip strip, Jimmy Cliff Boulevard right there. Yeah. So yeah, people. Yeah, people and we're up on top of the hill. Well, not really up on top of the hill, see, but we're up on the top floor in the apartment right there, so still, you see me? Yeah, man, and I do an apartment tour so you can catch that. I do the tour of the Airbnb so you can catch that in our next video, right? Not sure if it's going to post before or after this, but yeah, once you watch this, if you're not see it yet, you'll soon see it. Can guarantee you that. You get what I say? Yeah, man, the airport there right over there, so the runway, right there, so the runway, right there, so you see me? I'm playing just take off, make be nice, you see me? And with it there, and I take in the sunset and one bag of something, so yeah. It's awesome. Trust me, guys. It's awesome. I'm gonna show you around here, so which part. I know this is a food video, but I'm just showing you, see? So as I'm telling you, yeah, this are the Jimmy Cliff Boulevard hip strip out there, so. Where you see the light here, right there, so Margarita Villa. You see me? Yeah, yeah, man. So I eat that. You see me? Beach here down there, so over there, so when I see them right there, so yeah, it's a Spanish Court Hotel. You see me? I say, yeah, man. I'm gonna check out this something in the video if you don't want to see the place. You understand? Check out the thing in the video. Yeah, if you don't want to see the place. So alright, so I have a few questions for you now. So you could like sit right there, anywhere. So anywhere you want to sit.
There's that fallen banana.
Oh, okay. Alright, so and I need you to be very honest. Like
Okay.
Jamaicans are not gonna hate you. Just be honest, alright? Let's start with that you're drinking, the thing. Do you like it?
I love it.
Yeah.
I like that it's not super carbonated.
Right. It should be
Okay.
grapefruit, but it's probably concentrated because it's soda.
Really? It's just a grapefruit?
Yeah, it's grapefruit. It should be good,
I
but it's
usually don't like grapefruit, but I love this.
what?
Yeah.
Yeah, it should be
This
grapefruit.
is really good.
Yeah, a lot of tourists they tend to like this so much.
I think in the United States they put up like a lot of artificial flavoring
Right.
in their drinks and stuff like that. So their drinks are good.
Yeah.
That's my favorite thing about traveling is trying the different like soft beverages.
Nice.
That's really good.
Yeah, this is good, and especially as I tell you with the white rum, it is so good, so good. Yeah,
Which we're gonna have here soon.
very soon. The KFC. I need you to be honest. The KFC.
Oh, I liked it.
You liked
So,
it? Is it worth the hype?
I haven't had KFC in years. So
Right.
I'm gonna have to go back to the United States and try it there.
The jerk chicken that you got in Ocho Rios. What do you think about it?
Oh, that was the best.
Jerk chicken.
The best. Yeah, with
Nice.
the hot sauce. Oh, it
Yeah.
was fantastic.
Yeah,
It was,
definitely,
like,
guys.
super
The
juicy. That was the first meal I had here.
yeah, the jerk chicken was really good. That guy in it was good.
Being great in my brain now.
Yeah, it
Oh,
was good. It was good. Next time I'm in Ocho Rios, I'm gonna get some jerk chicken from him,
Oh,
cause
gosh,
yeah, it
you
was
have
good.
to.
Yeah,
Keep him in business, so when I come back, I can be sure he's here.
definitely. And
Let that be known.
the patties. What do you think?
That was my favorite. Well, oh god, the jerk chicken was so good. So
It's
I
okay.
say
You
that
can
was
have
my
multiple
favorite.
favorites.
I loved everything, honestly.
Yeah.
The patties were really good. Actually, I do think I like the patties without the cheese.
Oh, you
compared to
prefer
the
just the
cheese.
original beef patty? No problem.
Yeah, I think I do.
And you want to try the chicken next time
Yeah,
around?
try the chicken.
Maybe tomorrow. I don't know. Maybe early we could
Yeah, we'll
get.
get some patties.
Yeah, take it. So you can
load
take.
to the airport.
Yeah.
Smuggle them into the United States.
No, she's
Get
not.
put back on that list.
No, she's not. No, she's not. She's just gonna bring them through, and everything's gonna go okay. It's just patties, guys. All right. Let me see. Did you have anything else?
Avocado,
Oh yeah.
Again, one of my favorite things with the what are they called? Bula.
Yes.
The bula.
Yes.
Oh, I really like that with the spice one. I know you're supposed to have the original one. But
Yeah.
It was so good. I really
Well, you
liked
can have it with anyone. Even they have ginger bulla too.
Yeah.
So anyone.
I like the bula better with the avocado than with the cheese.
Oh, nice.
But the avocado was phenomenal.
Yeah.
It was like the perfect ripeness. It was
Yeah,
so tasty.
we got a really good pear. So that is actually called bulla and pear. So just for the Jamaicans,
Bula
can
and
you?
pear, yeah.
What is
Bula
it?
and pear. Bula and pear.
Yes, nice.
pear.
Was there
Yes,
anything
so good.
else? Was there anything else?
We had a coconut.
Oh yeah.
Whole coconut.
Right. Yeah. She.
Put it all over myself.
Yeah. As you saw in the video, guys. Yeah.
What
So that
else
was
do
good.
we
Let me
have?
see.
We had spice buns.
Oh yeah.
Yeah,
So
that's
yeah,
right.
guys, I gave her like one of the little round bun them with cheese. Me just give her that. So yeah.
Oh, we had so much jackfruit. We were hungry.
Yeah, we had some jackfruit. The jackfruit that we had, it could have been a little bit sweeter. Could have been.
I like the texture of jackfruit.
Yeah,
It's a
the
good
texture is good. Texture is good. Yep, definitely.
And then I had the chocolates.
Oh yeah, you had a.
Yeah, the both of the chocolates.
Mm-hmm. Probably, I think that was it.
I feel like all I've been doing is eating. Is that all I've had?
Doesn't matter. So, and then there's so much more for you to try. Like this is just
Yeah.
a tip, because mangoes, like East
The
Indian
Yeah,
mangoes.
we didn't get the mangoes.
So-
we didn't get the what was the breakfast, which we could probably do tomorrow too.
Ackee and saltfish. I didn't even get a chance to get her the ackee and saltfish, guys. There's so much when it comes to.
I will have to extend my trip if we don't have that tomorrow. I can't.
All right, let's see if it happens, guys. If it happens, you'll see it in the video. If you didn't see it, then it's gonna happen next time
Well, if you
around.
didn't see it, you're gonna see it because I'm not leaving.
But yeah, and when it comes to breakfast, there's so much more to breakfast here.
Yeah.
The ackee and the saltfish, it is just one of the regular stuff, one of our favorite thing that we have here that we love to eat. There's also, as I showed you, the breadfruit. Yeah, they roast the breadfruit and then they fry it, so it's crispy like a chip. So that with even ackee and saltfish too, that is amazing as well. So there's just so much. Mangoes, we have like a whole variety of mangoes here, but they're like two specific mangoes which people always are in like a battle over. One is called East Indian and one is called Julie, like the name Julie.
Okay.
Yeah, so one is East Indian, one is Julie mango. Now there's always a battle. I would love for you to try them next time so you can see. And when you're gonna try them, you're gonna eat it the Jamaican way. We're not gonna peel the skin off with a knife. We're not gonna slice it up. You're just gonna bite in and have all the juices running down your hands and everything. And yes, that's how we're gonna do it. All right. And as I said, there's so much more. You haven't tried rice and peas, which Americans refer to it as rice and beans, the kidney beans
Yeah,
and stuff. Yeah. So we haven't tried that with like at a cook shop or something. But those are just a little bit more the stuff that you can try whenever you get back here. I mean, it was a really short visit, and it was like crammed. Yeah, we did so much. So yeah, I appreciate you like trying the Jamaican stuff and giving your feedback. I really appreciate it.
Yes. Absolutely.
Yeah. Do you have these fruits in Italy? No, like tropical fruits. Do you have tropical fruits in Italy?
Yeah, in
You do?
certain regions.
Certain regions.
Yeah, because I mean
Okay.
it's a pretty decently sized country. So in
Okay,
certain regions,
you
there's
have it.
certain
You have it.
things. But
Alright.
yeah, I mean, not like here.
Okay.
That's like there's no comparison because it's not like tropical like here.
Right. All right. Thank you so much for watching the videos, guys. Ensure that you like, share, subscribe, comment, and do all the good stuff. All right, people. See there? You know what time it is, right? So listen, yeah. When I take the video, they don't know. I'm telling us, so we have to make sure to taste that. So go ahead.
Oh my gosh.
It's good.
So good.
Yes.
It's like a white Russian.
Yeah.
It's very good.
That's nice. Yeah, people. See that?
Oh, it's so good. So
Coffee
there's-
rum cream.
Is there actual caffeine in here? Coffee?
Coffee, yeah. Yeah, so it's infused with it. So you have the original one and then you have the coffee one. So that's why I told you I wanted us to go get the coffee. Yeah.
Good. Because I need the
The coffee.
pep in my step.
Yeah.
Well, we're about to party now.
All right, we're gonna have some fun, guys. We're drinking and we're gonna have some fun.
Music.
Yeah. So thank you so much for watching. We're gone now. This time for real. We're gone. Bye.
Bye.